All right, Trey, we found the Grand Bazaar in Istanbul, Turkey. There it is right there.
1461.
1461. So we're going to show you the chaotic markets of the Grand Bazaar. Let's head in. Let's go and have a look what it's like inside.
It's going to be crazy.
Let's go. All right, we've arrived to the Grand Bazaar. Right in front of us, 1461. Trey, 1461, it's pretty old. All right, let's have a look what's inside of it. Oh. All right, Trey, we're in the Grand Bazaar in Istanbul, Turkey.
These markets are insane.
Absolutely amazing. We're coming here early in the morning, so it's not so packed out. But you can buy everything here, can't you?
Anything.
Everything. So we're just
Next level.
jewellery, rugs, souvenirs. So what we're going to do is just have a brief show you around the markets here, and we'll head down to the Blue Mosque and show you the Blue Mosque. Let's have a wander around. I like how they've done all the roof. The whole bazaar is just like an indoor market, and it's just decorated really nice. Do you like it, Trey?
Yeah.
It's really, really nice, isn't it? And all the spices and the herbs, you can buy it everywhere. It's just amazing. Oh, look at this shop. All the lamps. It's absolutely amazing. You can buy everything in here. It's probably, this would have to be the biggest market I've ever been to in the world.
Ever.
It's amazing, isn't it? Alrighty. Oh, Tracy loves the cushions. We're not buying no cushions. Just like even the chess pieces. Look at the chess. It's amazing. This goes for miles, doesn't it? Like every turn, the old bazaar.
I don't know where to look.
You don't know where to look. As I said, I love the decorations on the roof. All right, Trey, we've been in here for 2 days. We can't find our way out.
We can't get
It is the most massive place I've ever been into in my whole life.
I don't know where we are. Can't find an exit.
I can't believe we've been in for 2 days and we can't find the exit. All right, let's make our way outside. Do you want to go to the Blue Mosque?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, we've just come out of that absolutely maze of markets.
Labyrinth
it's the biggest markets I've ever been. I only just filmed.
Mother of markets.
I filmed a little bit in there. It's just, I'd hate to go in there when it was busy.
No.
Whew.
It's not even busy.
No, because we're here early in the morning. But it's got everything from fake, I presume it's all fake bags and stuff like that, because it was Louis Vuitton and all that kind of stuff, Chanel and stuff like that. But it's quite interesting to see what you can get in there, isn't it?
The mother of markets.
It's massive. So we're going to walk down to the Blue Mosque. I'll show you the outside of the Blue Mosque and see what it looks like. So we're heading down there now, but definitely worth coming if you're in Istanbul.
It's a sight. It's just jewellery and mosaic lamps and scarves and food and...
Oh, it's everything.
It's just everything.
On the spices as well. It goes up your nose, you can smell it straight away. Walk around the corner.
Bags.
It's amazing, amazing. Got to come to the Grand Bazaar. All right, let's head down to the Blue Mosque. All right, we made it outside of the Grand Bazaar, which is just over the back there. And look at there's mosques. We're in a little plaza area, yeah. And there's nice looking mosques right over there.
And one over there.
And there's one right there. And we're not even over at the big one, the Blue Mosque, which I'm looking forward to seeing. It's supposed to be absolutely beautiful. But it's just amazing how everyone must drink tea around here. Every shop you walk past they're trying to get you in to have a cup of the Turkish tea. And this must be the plastic surgery capital of Europe, I think, because I've seen probably about 20 or 30 people walking around with hair plugs or bandages on their noses, faces and all that. So it must be pretty popular to come here for some sort of procedure. So Tracy, is there anything you need? Sign Tracy up. We'll find something for Tracy. All right, let's go. Keep on walking to the Blue Mosque. All right, guys, we're walking to the Hagia Sophia Mosque. I think it's about over 1400 years old. 537 AD, I think it was. And there it is, right in front of us. I think it's about 23 to 25 euros to get in. The Blue Mosque is free, so we're not going to go into this one because it is fairly expensive. But it is the oldest mosque in Istanbul. Look at this. It's massive, isn't it? Oh, this little square is beautiful, like a nice little fountain. And then you've got the Blue Mosque over the top there, over the back there. Nice little gardens around here. It's yeah, really pretty place to be. So I love the style of the buildings and the gardens around here. Let's have a look at the fountain. Nice little fountain here, right in between both mosques. The Blue Mosque over there, and the Sophia Mosque right there. All right, we're standing outside in a nice little square outside the Hagia Sophia Mosque behind us, and the Blue Mosque over the back there. But it's, yeah, it's pretty busy, isn't it? There's a lot of people around. Yeah, but it's a nice building.
You have to pay to go into that one?
Yeah, that's the 23 or 25 euros to go into that one. All right, we're gonna, well, it's time to grab a bite to eat.
Snack.
Not a snack, we've got to go for lunch. So we're gonna walk into just outside the area here, and we'll go and get a nice Turkish meal. What do you reckon?
Yep, let's go.
All right, let's go. All right, Trey, we've come for lunch. And we're not eating at Burger King. Are you sitting at Burger King?
No, I won't let Gary have Burger King when we're in Istanbul.
No, so we're actually sitting in a little kebab shop here, and we've ordered a kebab plate, and I've ordered a little kebab. So I'll show you what the kebab is.
Yep.
But Tracy wanted Burger King.
No, we didn't.
There it is there. But no, mate. All right, so we're going to eat our little kebabs, and then we're going to head back into the city and show you what else is there to do.
Apple products.
Oh yeah, people are stopping past trying to sell us stuff every 5 seconds. So Apple Watches, what is it? AirPods, everything like that.
And then he just put them back in his pocket.
Yeah. All right, we got some bread coming. All right, let's eat our bread that they give us. All right, Tracy, what have you got?
Chicken and rice and tomatoes.
Chicken, a kebab plate.
The kebab plate, because I eat so much bread.
Oh no, yeah. What is it like? It's nice. And I've got a kebab with chicken and chips inside. All right, so we're going to eat it, and then we're going to continue walking around after we fill our tummies with this delicious Turkish food. All right, we just had our meal behind us. 470 Turkish lira, which is about 20 Australian dollars, not even that, for two
Cokes.
Yeah, so it's pretty reasonable. I mean, there's heaps of little kebab. Everywhere is kebab places, doner kebabs there, and there's heaps of places to eat. You can't go 5 metres without actually finding a kebab shop in around here, so it's quite good. All right, let's continue walking around the town. It was actually quite nice. I enjoyed it.
Hey.
Say hello.
Hello.
All right, let's go. All right, Tracy's got a headscarf on because we're going into the Blue Mosque. Very nice, very pretty. You obviously do what the customs adhered to, so we're about to go in the Blue Mosque. There it is there. Very nice. Let's go. Let's get into the Blue Mosque. That's the first time. We're going to Egypt soon, so you've got to wear one in Egypt when we go into the mosque there. So customs, you've got to abide by what they do in other countries. All right, guys, we're just walking into the Blue Mosque. Oh, wow. It's pretty nice. You have to take your shoes off, wear your head coverings, and you've got to cover your knees as well, so I've got a little skirt thing they've given me. But look at this. It's pretty nice. Oh, and by the way, between 12:30 and 2:30, they're closed for prayer. So if you come down, make sure you come down before them times or after them times so you can get in. Absolutely amazing. Have a look. I like the stained glass windows as well. That's really nice too. In the centre of the mosque. Alrighty. Well, that's the Blue Mosque for you. It's pretty nice inside, so it's worth coming in and having a look. A bit of a line up to get in, but it's definitely worth coming in and having a look. So what do you reckon, Trey?
It's beautiful in here.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? There's a little courtyard outside.
Yeah, you can't wear shoes in here.
Yeah, can't wear shoes in here. We're going to walk out and have a look at the courtyard.
And we've never been inside one before, so there's a women's area to pray.
Oh, yeah.
That
There's a women's only.
Into.
But we'll have our last look at the ceiling of the mosque.
It's beautiful in here.
Yeah, it is pretty. It is nice.
Very pretty.
All right, let's go outside and have a look at the courtyard outside there. Alrighty, this is the courtyard. Is it a courtyard? Would you call it a courtyard? Inside the mosque. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Scarf off outside.
Outside, yeah. All right, let's have a wander around here. It's pretty nice. Oh, how old is this mosque? It's 400 and over 400 years old. This one. It's not as old as the one down the road, the Sophia one. That's 1500 years old. The other one. So this is not quite as old as that one. Let's have a look. Oh, I like the building up there. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, first mosque we've been to, so we abide by their traditions when you come to another country. So you wear the wear the headscarf and take your shoes off.
Shoes off.
All right.